Hi there, Serial Trader here. I want to look at TLT because definitely caught my attention there on Friday. And TLT, it's a long-term bond ETF, a long-dated bond ETF. Now, I've noticed a lot of people are getting into a fit thinking the interest rates are just going to keep going up, and obviously that is inversely related to bond prices, so that would mean bond prices are going to keep going down. And the contrarian in me, when I see everyone saying that and being so sure of that, in the media and all that, that makes me think that probably the exact opposite is going to happen. But you can't just be a contrarian for the sake of being one. You need to actually have a technical reason, and I think we may have gotten one there on Friday. Now this is a weekly chart, but obviously on the daily, you could dial it in and see we had a big up day there on Friday after kind of a panic capitulation low on TLT on Thursday. But back to that weekly chart, which is what I want to focus on. I think from the absolute peak here we made in March of 2020 on TLT, so that was the peak in bond prices, the low on interest rates. So we were at 179.70. I think we had this initial very sharp A wave down, and that was a huge move in a short period of time for bonds. Like that's almost I don't know how many standard deviations, but that was huge. Then I think we had an A, B, C up for B, right? Three wave move up in B. And now the fact that the C wave has been more time consuming and shallower in slope than the A wave. So the A wave is sharp, the C wave is more time consuming. And we did take out that prior low. It looks like a stop running move basically. A lot of people probably had stops there, got flushed out, and then reversal. So to me, this looks like a potential major low in TLT. So that would be a major high in interest rates. And we potentially just put in a big bottom, and we're actually going to start trending up to new highs for bonds, obviously new lows for rates. That's kind of how I'm reading this. I think it's intriguing. Obviously, you saw some massive volume coming in there this week. I mean, we haven't had this kind of volume in TLT since March of 2020. So when you have that kind of volume and a huge weekly hammer candle like that, that could be a major low. So I just thought I'd point that out. Definitely caught my attention. Do what you will with it. But I think lower rates and higher bond prices are ahead here, judging by what I see on this chart. And just the overall sentiment of almost the certainty that rates will keep going up. I love when I hear that, because that usually means those people are going to be proven wrong when they're that sure of themselves. All right, Serial Trader signing off.